Welcome to today's business report. Let's dive into the top headlines. We're still in earnings seasons and the corporate entities are reporting financial results that speak to their ability to manage in this economy. First up, Spur Tree Spices Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024 reports a 17% increase in the year-end net profit ending December 31, 2024. Next, Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended December 31, 2024 reports a 9-month net loss of $103.36 million. Then Jamaica Fiberglass Products Limited unaudited financials for the year ending December 31, 2024 reports a year-end net loss of $106.86 million. And Victoria Mutual Investments Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024 reports 168% increase in year-end profit. For the trading period ending February 19, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Advertising agency One Great Studio Company Limited with 5,037,700 units traded, representing 21.20% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 4,992,597 units traded, representing 21.01% of market sales volume. Elasco Distributors Limited with 4,028,797 units traded, representing 16.95% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 19, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $52.82 million was purchased and US $67.97 million was sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.55 per dollar, selling the US at $158.42 and buying the US at $156.87. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 67 cents per transaction, with selling at $111.73 and buying at $111.06. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.24 in profits, with selling at $197.62 and buying at $194.38. For our credit report tip of the day, from lower interest rates to greater borrowing power, the effort you put in today to improve your credit paves the way for substantial financial rewards down the road. Let's look at how we can make positive changes. First, increased financial security. A healthy credit score can act as a safety net during economic uncertainties. Or you can consider improved business opportunities. There's easier access to capital that can fuel entrepreneurship ventures. And then there's another benefit of a reduced risk of debt traps. A good credit score can help you avoid high interest debt cycles.